Hi, I'm John Henry for Frain Industries. I wrote the book on packaging machinery, and in this month's explainer, I'll show you how horizontal form-fill seal machines work. These machines are often called flow wrappers because of the way that product flows through them. Whatever you call them, they're popular because they're simple and make an attractive package. They can also be wicked fast, with some flow wrappers operating at 300 packages per minute or more. More commonly, they run in the 50 to 150 ppm range. They can be manually fed, as we'll see in a moment, but their infeed makes them easy to automate. Flow wrappers make a package similar to the vertical form-fill seal machines I discussed in a previous video. Vertical machines work well with loose products like jelly beans. They don't work so well keeping products like cookies in a tray or sponges collated and oriented. Flow wrappers do. The film can be unregistered with no printing or repetitive printing, as shown on the left. In this case, the package is made to a specific length. In the case of registered graphics, as shown on the right, even small variations in length would result in out-of-place graphics. These films will need a registration mark, and the machine will need registration system to cut to the mark and keep the graphics in register. Flow wrapper infeeds are typically a stainless steel tray with side guides to confine the product. A lug chain in the center of the tray pushes the product into the wrapper. An operator or automated feeder places the product between the lugs. Some higher speed machines use a series of servomotor conveyors instead of the lug chain. Sensors detect the product and vary the conveyor speeds to space and synchronize the product into the forming shoe. The film feeds off of the roll through dancer rolls that control tension. As with all roll-fed machine, proper tension control is critical to good performance. The film flows over a forming shoe in time with the lug chain to wrap around the product. Once in the shoe, the product is carried along by the film. The film folds under, and a pair of sealing wheels seal the film lengthwise with a fin seal. Generally, flow wrappers cannot do an overlap seal. Finally, a sealing bar seals the trailing and leading ends of the package and cuts them apart. Sometimes cutting is foregone to make a continuous strip of packages. A takeaway conveyor carries the finished package to the next packaging step. This is a variation on the typical flow wrapper. The film is fed from underneath, the product placed on top of the film, and then the film is wrapped and sealed over the product. Here you can see the longitudinal sealing wheels, which are normally hidden underneath. On this machine, rather than the rotary sealing jaws of the previous machine, a more complex set of jaws is used to provide for extended sealing time. Now you know how to flow. Frain likes things to flow smoothly for you too. Their extensive inventory and technical staff mean that you can get what you want, how you want it, and when you want it. Rent, lease, or buy, Frain does it your way. Visit them online at www.fraingroup.com. Better yet, visit their amazing plant in Carroll Stream, Illinois, minutes from Chicago's O'Hare Airport. I'm John Henry, and I'll be back next month with another machinery explainer. Thanks for watching.